How you can verify on Yubo app with your passport. Yubo is basically like a dating app, but you can find friends there. So I'm going to show you how you can get verified there using your passport. First of all, open the app and then tap on the profile icon at the top right to open up your profile. And if you scroll down, you can see the get verified option right here. You tap on it and something like this should show up on your screen. You can select your country and then you can select your ID among all of these, like your driver's license, your military card, your national ID, or your passport or your state ID card. So if you want to verify using your passport, just tap on it. And there are two methods. This automated one is usually faster, and the manual verification might take a little bit longer. So, according to your choice, you can choose your method, and you'll have to confirm your picture like so, and make sure to put your face on your on the screen. First, confirm all of your pictures, and then scan your face to verify your photos. So once you scan your photo, you can tap on Start Verification. But since I'm not showing my face, it will say error. But after you have done the verification process, what you can do is continue to scan your passport. It will ask you to scan your passport, and from there, you can just scan your ID. It will ask you for your birthday, so make sure to enter your birthday that is valid on your passport. You have to make sure to scan both front and back of your passport for verification. So after you do that, it may take a while to get verified, but after you enter all of your details, you should be verified within 24 hours. I hope this video was helpful and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.